Internet. I am going to tell you something about internet and reveal the source behind this thing what we have said. So welcome to Soul to Sky. Now we are going to talk about the internet. It is a system with billions of users worldwide. It permits communication and sharing of all types of information between two or more computers connected through a large and complex networks. It was started in 1960s and opened up for public in 1990s. With the passage of time, it has witnessed some tremendous growth and is still expanding its reach. Its application includes email, file transfer, World Wide Web, e-commerce, chat. Let's talk briefly about them. Email. It permits exchange of text or graphic material using email software. We can write a letter and send it to the recipient through ISP internet service providers who work like distributing and receiving post offices. File transfer. FTP file transfer programs allows transfer of files or software from one computer to another connected to the internet. World Wide Web. Computers that store specific information for sharing with the others, provide website either directly or through web services providers. Government departments, companies, NGOs, non-government organizations, and individuals can post information about their activities or restricted or free to use on their websites. This information becomes accessible to the user. Several search engines like Google, Yahoo help us in finding information by listing the related websites. Hypertext is a powerful feature of the web that automatically links relevant information from one page to the web to another using HTML. Hypertext markup language. E-commerce. Use of internet to promote business using electronic means such as using credit cards is called e-commerce. Customer view image and receive all the information about various products or services companies through websites by the company through mail courier. Chat. Real-time conversation among people with common interest through typed message is called chat. Everyone belonging to the chat group gets its message instantly and can respond rapidly. Now let's talk about facsimile. It sounds tricky, but it's actually fax. It scans the content of a document as an image, not text, to create electronic signals. These signals are then sent to the destination, another fax machine, in an orderly manner using telephone lines. At the destination, the signal are reconverted into replica of the original document. Note that a fax provides image of static document, unlike the image provided by the television of objects that might be dynamic. And now, mobile telephony. The concept of mobile telephony was developed first in 1970s and it was fully implemented in the following decade. The central concept of the system is to divide the service area into suitable number of cells centered on an office called MTSO, mobile telephone switching office. Each cell contains low power transmitters called a base station and caters to a large number of mobile receivers, popularly called cell phones. Each cell could have a service area of few square kilometers or even less depending on the number of customers. When a mobile receiver crosses the coverage area of one base station, it is necessary for the mobile user to transfer to another base station. This procedure is called handover or handoff. This process is carried out very rapidly and extent of that consumer does not even notice it. Mobile telephones operate typically in UHF, ultra high frequency range of frequencies of about 800 to 900 megahertz. So that's it about we have talked about, and the source of this note what we have just talked is from class 12th physics book, chapter communication system, part B, page number 528. Thank you and subscribe to the Soul to Sky. See you next.